We interrupt normal programming. Please listen to the broadcast.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The solar system is broken. After Saturn flew past Jupiter and Mars, Saturn is about to devour Earth. Our planet will try to face Saturn's rings. Plus, Saturn already flew past Mars, so it will take 7 months for Saturn to reach Earth, which doesn't look good. This is the end. We cannot do anything to make drift Saturn away because Saturn is a gas giant, which means it only has hydrogen and helium clouds. May the Lord bless us all.
Wait, I see the
I
rings
can
of
hear
What the heck is
Saturn.
happening?
No. 7
This
months
is the
has
end.
What are we gonna
It's
do?
okay,
Saturn
son.
will eat our planet.